In this last one, Reddit user FoxyGamer207 has posted this sound clip. Good noise, don't know where it came from or what it meant. Please help if you could. Let's have a listen. So what do you make of that? It's clearly something's being said. What? I have no clue. People in the comments have said maybe it just could be a low battery signal, which is very likely. Could it be a voice, paranormal? Maybe. I mean, let's have another listen. Yeah, see, look, again, I'm not too sure what it's saying, but it sounds like it's saying something. Let me know what you think it is saying in the comments.